Guys, it's Kelsey here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my current night routine. This is one of my favorite videos to watch, so I thought I would film one for you guys today. So I love when I can catch a good sunset. You guys know I'm obsessed with sunsets, but one of the things that I love doing most is my meditation and stretching. Sometimes I do this in the morning, depending on how much time I have, but lately I've been doing it in the evening, so I like to do this on the days that I do not have Pilates. So I love stretching. I feel so much better when I stretch. I see a huge difference in my body when I don't stretch. I also sleep a lot better when I stretch. So if you've been having issues with sleeping and your body just doesn't feel 100%, I highly recommend looking up some stretching videos on YouTube and finding one that works for you. At this point, I've just memorized all the ones that I really like. Alright guys, so after I've set the mood in my bathroom, I like to go ahead and hop in the shower. Today was a hair day, so I decided to co-wash my hair with one of my faves. This is the Aura-based Serene Scalp. This is one of my favorite conditioners to co-wash with because it's really good if you have dandruff, and I do struggle with dandruff, so I like to use shampoos and conditioners that help combat that, and this one is one of my faves. It's excellent for co-washing. It's a really light formula and it works really well to detangle my hair as well. So if you are an OG subscriber, you have seen the Aquash Strengthening Conditioner before. I love to use this when I feel like my hair needs a pick-me-up. So this is a really good hair mask if you struggle with heat damage. So this is one of the conditioners that I used a ton when I was trying to get my curls back, and it's amazing. So the Honey Pot is my favorite feminine wash, and I love the Native Eucalyptus and Mint at the moment. Alright guys, so moving on to skincare, I will have a full list of all the products that I'm using in the description box, but I always love to start with a nice oil or balm cleanse just to get off any sunscreen or any dirt and oil from the day, and then I like to go in with a gel cleanse. You guys know I'm all about the double or triple cleansing. And I'm using my Lunaforio as I always do to get deep down into the pores to cleanse my face. Eventually I will be doing an updated skincare routine, but for now this is my routine. I will be switching to another serum eventually because the one I'm using now I've used for a while and I just want to switch to a new one. But yeah, my skincare routine usually stays pretty solid for the most part. I try not to switch out products too often, but sometimes I do like to introduce new skincare products into my routine slowly if I feel like my skin is getting too used to a product. So yeah, this is like my favorite time of day. Skincare is like a ritual for me, and I just love taking my time and just relaxing and winding down. And of course, you know we can't forget about body care. I've been loving to combo the Bioderma Cream and the Biossance Squalane Oil. They're amazing together, especially if you have super sensitive skin. I highly recommend. And after that, I just followed it with my favorite deodorant at the moment, the Rosy Pits from Mega Babe. And I always like to finish off with a fragrance. I'm just using my Byredo Black Saffron tonight. One of my favorite scents from Byredo. It's super calming, very clean, and fresh smelling. Love it. So before dinner, we always like to set the mood in the living room. I have to have my candles lit. It just makes me feel a lot calmer and gets a nice smell going in the living room. So you guys know we're obsessed with candles, so it wouldn't be a night routine or any kind of routine without candles. So usually for dinner, we typically switch up what we're eating at least 3 times throughout the week. This day I just made some spinach and I did some frozen chicken from Trader Joe's just because I didn't feel like actually making grilled chicken. So Trader Joe's always comes through when you don't feel like cooking for real. So yeah, this is one of my go-to meals. It's super easy and quick and it's pretty healthy as well. So before bed, I always like to make me some bedtime tea. So these are the two that I like to mix and they really do work. Surprisingly, most like sleepy time teas don't really work on me, but these two are really good, and I'm super relaxed after drinking this. So I like to have my tea before bed, and I always like to do the dishes because I cannot stand waking up to dishes in the sink. So I have to wash dishes before I head to my room. So before bed, I usually like to read a devotional. I'll link it in the description box for you guys to check out. I'll link more than one that I like to read. I'm not really a novel reader before bed. I just prefer a devotional, and I like to read my novels during the day for some reason. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.